morning, JMB. Today is Monday, October 22nd. I'm Joey McJilton.
And I'm Caitlin Sheck.
Attention college-bound seniors. Have you completed your free application for the federal student aid? Today is the JMB FAFSA completion day. Guidance officers and Warwick staff will be at JMB from 2nd to 7th period to help seniors with their parents complete it. The FAFSA is required for any form of financial aid. Get it done today. Students and staff, in recognition of Bullying Awareness and Prevention Month, Unity Day is celebrated on Wednesday, October 24th. Everyone wear orange to show solidarity against bullying, against all forms of bullying.
JMB would like to congratulate the following students for being nominated Student of the Month for September: Vesta Tamanukaro, Grace Connick, Aaron Hall, Jordan Montgomery, and Paige Jenkins. We would also like to recognize Teacher of the Month, Miss Victoria Olin. Planning to go to college, a representative from Johns Hopkins, Radford Stevenson, and Christopher Newport University will be visiting JMB this week. Don't miss the chance to learn more about these schools. Juniors and seniors with a GPA of at least 2.0 should sign up in guidance.
Do you like trivia, quiz bowl, or Jeopardy? Then join the quiz bowl team. The team meets every Tuesday in room E120 from 2:50 to 4. Come out to the next meeting and see what the team is all about. The Quiz Bowl team is also looking for students who are interested in being a mascot, cheerleader, or part of the pep band from the team. See Mrs. Elanam in E120 for more information. Seniors, are you stressed about your college essay? Miss Murray and Miss Davies will be providing essay support to you on Tuesday, October 25th from 5:30 to 7 in our media center. You better go because they're taking time out of their day. There will also be financial aid and scholarship information that night. Sign up by registering in tinyurl.com/ychwjsxf or email mscheller@wcboe.org.
Do you love Texas Roadhouse? Then come out with your family and friends on Wednesday, October 24th to support the JMB Drama Club. 15% of your check will be donated to help out on their fall production of Our Town. See Miss Murray in E220 for a flyer. Philosophy Club is meeting this Wednesday. See Marilyn Chen if you're interested in joining and learning about diplomacy and government.
On Saturday, our JMB Marching Band and Color Guard traveled to Middletown, Delaware to compete in the tournament of the band's Chapter 6 championships. Mr. Miles is very proud to announce that our bands and guard earned second in Group 3 competition with specialty awards for second place music and visual, auxiliary, percussion, and drum major. Our score was the highest of the season and is high enough for the band to be invited back to the ACCs in 2 weeks. Congratulations to all the members of the band and guard for a fantastic performance at Chapters. Included at Chapter 9 Championship was the award for Best Pit Crew. Our JMB band and guard parents won first place for the Best Pit Crew in the Group 3 Championship. Their interpretation of the climb was unique and quite entertaining. A big thank you goes to the parents for their participation on Saturday night. The band and guard members are grateful for all the parental help and support this marching season.
For any girl interested trying out for the basketball team this season, we are doing conditioning and open gyms on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays from 3:30 to 4:45 in preparation for the upcoming year. Also, remember you must have a physical complete to try out for the team on Thursday, November 15th. Lax it up! The boys lacrosse team will have an interest meeting on Wednesday, October 24th at 2:55 in the cafeteria. All those wishing to play must attend.
Anyone interested in trying out for baseball in the spring who did not attend Tuesday's meeting needs to see Mr. Coach Sierig in B133 ASAP. There will be an interest meeting for anyone trying out for wrestling today, right after school in the wrestling room.
Congratulate our It's Academic team for a fantastic win this weekend. On Saturday, the It's Academic team members Marvin Lee, Taylor Awkward, and Zeth Weaver smashed Frederick High School and Maryville Preparatory School in a landslide win, scoring 170 points above their competitors. Way to go. Congratulations to our team for a job well done. Spirit Week is next week. Stay tuned for a preview of the next week's themes. We'll be wearing pajamas, dressing as tourists, and ending the week with a crazy red out. And that's all we have for you today, JMB.
Have a great day, JMB.